We're in Mount Yufu! I don't know if you can tell, but it's a beautiful, beautiful area here. Beautiful. Just beautiful. What up, fellas? We're in Yufuin, an onsen town roughly an hour from Beppu. We're so excited to try the delicious specialties around here. I'm C1.
And I'm Bobby.
And welcome to another episode of the Fomads. We're going to start the day off with world famous Yufuin fried chicken. Honestly, we're so excited. Let's give this a shot.
So I've got here chicken fried in tempura batter, which is famous here in Oita. So let's try it.
Yeah!
Yep, over the side here we've got some of that lemongrass sauce to accompany that chicken tempura.
Hot damn.
You know what? I can't wait to dig in. So let's go. Ooh, look at that. I get some of that lemongrass sauce on my first bite. Okay, here we go. Ooh, just spat on the chicken.
Bruh. I might eat that.
Alright, here we go. It's really hot, but really good. The lemongrass sauce goes perfectly with the chicken. It kind of tastes like Mexican food.
Huh. So, Bobby's impressed with the chicken, but like, the batter is like really, really soft. So, which is interesting for a tempura. Oh. It's so soft. So good.
I can see why chicken tempura is famous here in Oita. It's amazing. You should try it.
For lunch, we headed over to Yufu Mabushi, a Japanese restaurant famous for its luxurious, beefy bento boxes.
We're about to have what I believe is Wagyu beef dog. So that's Wagyu over rice. You can just smell the grilling of the steak right now. It smells amazing. Yeah.
I want the Wagyu, but I also want the unagi right here. Approximately the same price. I feel like one of us should get the Wagyu, one of us should get the unagi, so we have like half and half.
I mean, I see where you're coming from, but I feel like the Wagyu will give us the most enjoyment.
So we're both gonna get Wagyu.
I guess you can get the unagi and we can like split two-thirds.
What?
Like I'll get 2/3 of the beef.
No, it's half. You know what?
Unagi.
Bro, you know our deal. You know our deal.
What was the deal?
The deal was we go half-half. We go half-half.
I mean, I'm more about the beef, but if you want to do it, then this thing is a lot heavier than I expected. We got 2 bentos, and this thing weighs at least, I think, 5 kgs, which is, it blows my mind. Let's see what's inside.
Damn.
It's packed in like a bamboo bento box. Super cool.
Super cool.
Are you ready for the unboxing?
Unbox
Is
it.
the lighting good?
Unbox it, man. Oh my god. Look at that beef. Oh my god. Look at that marbling, man.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That eel. Like honestly, this is one of the highest quality bento boxes I've seen. Oh, they even give us like high quality chopsticks.
Okay, we're not talking about chopsticks.
I mean, wait, just wait. Look at these chopsticks.
Okay, all right.
Have you ever seen chopsticks like this? Like they're usable on both ends. That's high tech.
Oh my god. Let's eat.
Some green onions, some lemongrass sauce. All right. And let's go to town with this baby. Here we go.
How good is it?
It's so soft, so tender. The lemongrass sauce and the wasabi just combine perfectly and just bring out the flavor of that beef. I don't know, man. You gotta try it for yourself.
All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Man, I've never had Wagyu that looked like this before. Oh my god. Just take one bite and look at the scenery, and you know you've made it in life. Yeah.
All right, next up we got the eel. Excited for this. Haven't had good eel in a long time. Right?
Are you really excited for it? Like
I am.
Like I am feeling your energy right now.
I'm more about the beef, but if you want to do it, then all right, let's do this. All right, wasabi, green onions, some lemongrass sauce. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at that! Look at that sauce over that rice. Love it. So we're at a cake store, Yufuin Kashikura Goemon, and we're about to finish off the meal with some of this roll cake.
Bam! Oh yeah, look at that cream.
Look at that cream.
Cream.
So we got two versions. We got the creamier one and the non-creamier one. Now that's creamy.
Oh yeah. I love how the roll cake crumbles.
Get that inside ya.
Oh my god. It's like my tongue is on fire of ice. After our dessert, we went to a nearby mountain called Mount Yufu, and it was a beautiful place to finish off our day.
So we made it to the top of Mount Yufuin, and I gotta say, I would not recommend climbing this mountain.
What?
After such a big lunch. But I gotta say, it's beautiful, and if you ever come down to Beppu, definitely check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from us in the future, do subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one, for sure. All right.
Peace.